This is the Grylls Survival AO. This is an assisted opening knife with a partially serrated 3-inch long blade that deploys fast with one hand. The glass-filled nylon handle has a rubber overmold for solid grip in all conditions, and the removable pocket clip and lanyard hole make it easy to carry in a pocket or a pack. Safety is vital in survival situations, and the Survival AO features 2 safety locks. The barrel lock keeps the blade safely closed when not in use and functions as a secondary lock when opened. The plunge lock delivers extra safety and is released with the push of a button. Like all Bear Grylls Survival Series products, Bear's Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is included to prepare you for many common survival situations. The first assisted opener with Bear's name on it, this is the Bear Grylls Survival AO.
This is the Quadrant from Gerber. Standing out in a crowd is one thing. Having the toughness to back it up is another. And this knife does both. A finger flip makes it easy to open, and a frame lock delivers peace of mind when the straight edge sheep's foot blade is in use. It's available with a bamboo or G10 composite handle scale. The Quadrant is where form and function intersect.
This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife. This is the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tanto. It's a lightweight folder with a pocket clip on the back, weighing just 1.5 ounces. Up top here, you have a blade. It's full fine edge across the bottom. You've also got a Tanto tip, which is great for prodding and slicing. Really easy to open with one hand or both hands. It's the Gerber Mini Paraframe Tanto. This is the StrongArm Serrated Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon serrated edge blade for strength and versatility. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife. This is the Gerber Paraframe 2 Tanto. It's an ergonomic, everyday carry knife with a skeleton style handle. Stainless steel coated in black, low profile. Got a Tanto tip here, serrations across the bottom for cutting through straps and belts. Frame lock makes it really easy to deploy or redeploy with one hand. Flick it back open with the thumb stud, you're ready to go. It's the Gerber Paraframe 2 Tanto.
This is the Prybrid utility from Gerber. 2 things that Gerber's done really well for a long time is blades and solid state tools. The Prybrid utility combines both of those into a compact form factor. The Prybrid utility is safe and easy to carry with 3 slide lock positions: closed, open, and exchange. The G10 scale material is durable and provides enhanced grip on the job. A pass-through slot in the frame allows you to cut cord and wire in the closed position. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carry. Prybrid utility offers 8 tools, including full-size utility blade, cord cutter, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, nail puller, small flathead driver, and pry bar. It's available in OD green and tactical gray. Perfect for carrying in a pocket or on a keychain, the Prybrid utility offers tremendous function in a compact factor.